Hello friends, let us get to question number 10. The table shows four sequences A, B, C and D. So complete the table. That's it. That's the question. So first sequence, you can see that 1, 8, 27 and 64. They are all cube numbers. So the fifth term would be equal to 5 cube, which is 125, and the nth term is n cube. This is straightforward question. You need not do anything for that. Now B. For the sequence B, 5, 11, 17, 23. First difference is equal to 6. So therefore, fifth term would be equal to 23 plus 6, which is 29. And what will be the nth term? Nth term would be equal to 6n plus k. Because the first difference is 6. Now, put n is equal to 1. That implies 6 into 1 plus k would be equal to the first term, which is 5, as given in the B part. So, which is equal to 5. So, therefore, k will be equal to 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. And so, here the nth term is 6n minus 1. So, therefore, nth term for B would be equal to 6n minus 1. Now, come to the C part. Point 0.25, 0.5, 1, 2, 4. So what we can see is here we are multiplying each with 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and so for C it is k into 2 power n, right? Because each one is getting multiplied with 2, and so like putting n is equal to 1, what will I get? 2k would be equal to 1 by 4, or k is equal to 1 by 8, which is 2 power minus 3. So therefore nth term would be equal to 2 power n into 2 power minus 3, which is 2 power n minus 3. This is an exponential term, and so it will be 2 power n minus 3. This is also easy part. Now D. Look at question D. Question D is a bit different, and what do I get here? So if you see 4.75, 10.5, 16, 21, here the difference is 5.75. Here the difference is 5.5. Here the difference is 5. And so like we can't see any pattern. If again I go for the other difference, it is 0.25, it is, or it is minus 0.25, minus 0.5 and so on. So these are the first differences, second differences and all. But then think very carefully, look at the entire picture. What can you see? So B plus C is equal to D. So nth term of D is nothing but the sum of nth term of B and the nth term of C, if you observe carefully, or nth term of B minus nth term of C. So 5 minus 0.25, 4.75, 11 minus 0.5, 10.5, 17 minus 1, 16, 23 minus 2, 21, 29 minus 4, it is 25, and so therefore fifth term would be equal to 29 minus 5, 29 minus 4, which is 25, right? And now, so the nth term would be equal to nth term of B is nothing but 6n minus 1, and the nth term of this is 2 power n minus 3 minus 2 power n minus 3, and so let us write it there. So be very careful when you are doing these questions. Like, this is a very typical question. Like, this is not a typical question, and so you might be confused a lot, but this is how you solve it. If you if you subtract C from B, you will get the sequence D. And so even the nth term would be the subtraction of both of those sequences. So 6n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 3. This completes the entire question, and this is a 9-mark question. Okay, so thank you. Let us meet in another video. All the best.